Are stars on the celestial sphere truly fixed? Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing a pattern of stars that seem to stay in the same spots forever. It's almost like they're glued to an invisible sphere surrounding Earth. But is that really the case? Let's find out. Stars that appear on the celestial sphere are called fixed stars because they seem to keep their positions relative to each other from our perspective. This is because they are incredibly far away from Earth, often thousands of light years distant. Their great distance makes any movement between them so tiny that we cannot see it with our eyes or even with most telescopes over short periods. The celestial sphere itself is an imaginary, huge sphere with Earth at the center. Astronomers use it as a tool to map the sky. They project the positions of stars onto this sphere to help locate objects easily. It's like a giant, transparent globe that helps us understand where everything is in the sky. In reality, stars are not truly fixed. They do move through space, but their motions are very slow. This movement is called proper motion. Over many years or even centuries, astronomers can detect tiny changes in a star's position relative to others. But for us, just gazing at the sky on a clear night, stars seem to stay put. This idea of fixed stars dates back thousands of years. Ancient astronomers believed stars were attached to a rotating sphere around a stationary Earth. They used this model to explain why stars rise and set each night. The stars themselves were thought to be immovable within that sphere, which made sense for early navigation and timekeeping. Today, we still use the concept of fixed stars for practical purposes. For example, Polaris, the North Star, appears almost stationary near the North Celestial Pole. It helps sailors and travelers find their way north. The system of celestial coordinates, which uses right ascension and declination, depends on the idea that star positions are relatively stable. This makes it easier to pinpoint locations in the sky. So, even though stars are slowly moving through space, their motions are so tiny that they look fixed to us. This apparent immobility is what makes the celestial sphere such a useful tool. It provides a steady backdrop for observing planets, the sun, and the moon. It's a simple yet powerful way to understand the night sky and navigate our world.